so we are still on the chapter review sheet, chapter 1 review sheet, and now we're going to do number 4. I'm actually in the car right now, and it's raining, and I'm just going to talk a little louder just so you can hear me. Okay, so, and I apologize for the noise in the background. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at the problem. Okay, so number 4 says Jason can travel 24 3/4 miles in 1/2 hour. What is his average speed in miles per hour? Okay, so it's telling us that he's going a certain amount of miles in a half hour, but we want to know how much he goes per hour. Okay, so for 1 hour. So again, it's kind of like a unit rate question, but the difference is here is that we have fractions. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I just want to show you, okay, why we're going to do what we're going to do. Okay, it's a little confusing, but I think you'll get it once you start to understand why we're doing it. Okay, so what I'm going to show you first is we're going to write it as a unit rate. Okay, so just like a regular unit rate problem, okay, we're going to write it as a ratio or a fraction. So first we have 24 3/4 miles over a half hour. But we want to go to 1 hour, okay? So again, what do we have to divide 1/2 by to get to 1? 1/2, right? Because anything divided by itself is 1. So 1/2 divided by 1/2 gives you 1. So we have to divide 24 3/4 divided by 1/2. Okay? So in order to do that, okay, we're just going to write it out differently just so we can see it much better. So we wrote it out across, okay? So we have 24 3/4 divided by 1/2. Now before you do anything, you have to take this mixed number and you have to change it into an improper fraction, okay? And in order to do that, you have to remember a couple of steps. So you have to multiply the denominator, which is 4 here, times the whole number, okay, which comes out to be 96, okay? Then you take the product of those two numbers and you add the numerator, which is 3. So 96 plus 3 is 99. So we're going to put 99, and it's going to be over the denominator, which is 4, okay? And then we're just going to rewrite divided by 1/2. Now just think about it for a second. What do you do when you're dividing fractions? Keep, change, flip. You have to think of that song from Flocabulary.com. Okay? So keep, change, flip. Okay, keep, change, flip. So I'm going to go up here, okay, just so you can see things a little better. Okay, so we keep the first fraction, right, which is 99 over 4. We change the division sign into multiplication, and then we flip the second fraction. So instead of 1 over 2, we're going to have 2 over 1. Okay? Now when we multiply fractions, we multiply across. So we have 99 times 2 over 4 times 1. So 99 times 2 is 198, and then 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, so now we have to do 198 divided by 4, which comes out to be, get a new color, 49.5. Okay, so when you look at your answers on the multiple choice, there it is. It's 49.5 miles per hour.